Hey up, MB, the lovely people at Beowulf have kindly sent me a titanium with a carbon tip exhaust for the big old GS. So we're going to put that on today and see what that looks like. I'll put a link below for their website. The products are absolutely fantastic. Decided to go for a cheaper alternative to the SC or the Acra cans, purely keep it in the UK, and it's a more cost effective option for everybody else that hasn't got the money to go throw in a £1,000 end can, which the Acros are. The reviews seem very good, everybody highly recommends them, so we'll give it a go and see how it works out. Shall we give her a sound check of the standard can, see what that sounds like, so we've all got a comparison. Make sure it's in neutral, we've got flying off the ramp. Standard can, bike's been warmed up. My opinion, the standard can sounds pretty good anyway, but it's a big old heavy lump, so we'll give it a change over. I won't bore you talking while I'm taking it off, just bear with me, I'll fast forward what I can. Well, that took some getting off. It's been on for quite a number of years, quite a build-up of muck and grime there. I'm not the best in cleaning, and I haven't taken the cover off to clean all the grime out over the years I've had it. But it's off. We'll give it a clean up and get the other one unboxed and ready to go on. Always good while you've got it off, little flapper valve in there, give it a clean off with some brake cleaner if you've got some, or WD-40 if not. Brake cleaner works best as they're prone to sticking, building up with carbon, and doesn't do the engine any good. Always follow your instructions when you get the kit as well. At this point, don't tighten anything up fully, leave everything loose, because you'll have to make minor adjustments to get it all to line up absolutely perfect. The cover guard uses the original mounting just on the bottom of the cap there, and then the new mounting on the bracket there. So make sure when you tighten everything up, it all lines up. Otherwise you're going to have to go back and do it all again. Dry fit everything before you tighten anything up, as per the instructions. Once everything's on, loose, give it all a nip up. Just be careful not to go stupidly tight with everything until you're over something. There is a lock nut on the back of there, it goes with the original BMW frame thread. There is a lock nut on the back of there to make sure it's all tight and not going to fall off. Obviously once it's got warmed up and got up to temperature, you can give it all a nip up again. And there we have it, one Beowulf BMW R1200gs end can and leak pipe. Let's give it a fire up, see what it sounds like. Everything's on and running, let's give her a sound check. Keys might help. Only keyless ignition. key present again. There we go. BMW R1200gs LC liquid cool version with a Beowulf titanium end cam. Pretty happy with that. Baffle's a little bit tricky to get in and out. You need a fairly steady hand and a magnetic Allen key, because if you drop the Allen key down the carbon tip, it's a bit of a pain in the ass to get back out. And again, the baffle, you need a little pair of long nose pliers or a pair of mole grips just to hold it in place while you screw it back up. Otherwise it'll disappear down the end cam and you've got to take it off and try and fish it out. Other than that, very happy with it. Very happy with the product, the price range. It's yeah, it's a good product. I'll open for comments. Hit the like and subscribe button, they're very much appreciated, and there'll be some more videos to come. Thank you. When we're all out of lockdown and everyone's back riding again and safe and sound, I'll put some videos on, flyby videos with a static camera, and you can hear with DB killer and without DB killer, and you can hear it actually running while the engine's got some drive on it and some strain. Give you a better idea what it sounds like. Overall, very happy with the product.